You're watching this video right now because you don't want to be her friend. You want to say this right here, right now. Don't fucking lie to yourself. Raise your hand if you're a man that you like this girl and you don't want to be her friend only. Want to sleep with her. Don't watch this video till the end. Pause this video right now and tell me in the comment that you want to change the relationship dynamic with that girl who friend zone you, bro. Because being stuck in friend zone is all about lack of self-respect from yourself and from the girl only. Both of you don't respect you. That's why you're stuck into the friend zone. And if you don't know what friend zone is, it's basically a situation where one person in friendship desire a romantic relationship, but the other person prefer to remain only friends. And it's the most disgusting thing a man can tolerate in his life. Because you will die every single day seeing her flirting with some another guy while you were standing beside her just as his bestie. That's so girlish thing, man. Back in 2019, I friendzoned by a girl in college I liked the most. And that friend zone phase will last up to 4 years. And in that 4 years, she dated 4 guys in front of me, and I just standing beside her just like his bestie. And for the first 2 years, I never confessed my feeling to her that I like her. And for the first time when I confessed my feelings, she said to me that you are just my friend. I can't able to see you that romantic way. You are just like brother to me. And that's the most disgusting thing that I ever listened by a girl. And every time I see her with her new boyfriend, I shattered myself into the tears and just cannot able to control myself. That disgusting I was, and that's the most fuddu thing in a man life. And loads of the men puts themselves into the same situation that I had. But I flipped the relationship dynamic with that girl in just 2 months. After being there to just wasted my 4 years of his life on just one single girl. From being her just best friend and even hooking up with her every single night, she want to say to me that she want a relationship with me right now. And that's how I changed my relationship dynamic with that girl. Because I follow this 4-step protocol that will help you to get out of this friend zone phase. And this is not the normal video guide that you see on the internet, like how to get girls and how to put out yourself into the friend zone. This is purely based on my real experiences that will help me to attract even more beautiful girls, and even it will help you if you watch this video complete till the end and implement every single point that I say to you. So listen carefully. And if you want to improve your dating life, subscribe and like this channel. Let's start the video then. So I divided this video into the 2 parts. First part is that like why girl friend zone you, why girl put you into the friend zone, because you know the reason, otherwise you will keep doing the same mistake with other girls. And second part is that like if you are into the friend zone, that how you can get out of yourself into that situation. So why girl friend zone you? Because you're training her brain to see you safety, not exciting, and the attraction built on tension, not comfort. I'll explain you this line. What you do, suppose you met a girl and you behave with her like her best friend. You think firstly that you will make her your friend by doing normal conversation without making her feel anything. So it's safe for you right now not to take the bold moves. Otherwise she will be gone because you think in your mind. She doesn't feel anything from you because you haven't shown your intent in front of her that you like her. Right? And that's the first mistake I did most with my girls. I try to act overly nice with her, always agreeing the things that whatever she is saying, so that there will be no conflict between us and there will be no fight with each other, and she will stop talking to me, and I can't able to survive any single day without talking to her. And that's the second mistake guys will do. They avoid conflict with her. They are overly available for her. Every time she calls to him, they directly pick up the call and leave all their fucking work and just focus on her while talking for hours, bro. And they just think that if they give her more time, she will be her girlfriend, right? But that's not the case, buddy. She will think that you are such an available man, that you don't have anything in your life going on, that you're such a boring. They listen their gossip about their best friends, about their exes, about their problem in their life, right? Even she says to you that she like a boy in his college or in his office, and you even listen to that fucking thing, bro. And you think that someday she will get attracted to you and you will be her boyfriend. That's so fucking lame, bro. That's not the case. That's not be possible. And the third mistakes guys do with a girl they like, they invest on her more than she invests you. You think resolving her problems, take her to the expensive dates at the expensive restaurants because she's hungry right now. That's why you just spend all your money. Even you're just only surviving on Maggie on a daily basis, bro. You're prioritizing her by giving her gift, the gift that she doesn't demand. You think that if you give the gift to her, she think that, oh, you are such a nice guy. I love you most. Because as a human psychology, every time we get the things in free of cost without anything we have to return back, then we will not value that thing. So girl won't make you into the friend zone category. We themselves put ourselves into that friend zone category. That's why your effort has no value in front of her. The key tip for you is that treat the girl you like, the girl you dislike. For the next time you will put those things, keep in your mind, and you will not behave like with her, right? That's why she put you into the friend zone. But if you're still stuck into the friend zone and you did all those things with that girl and you now want to re-attract her again back into the life by moving ourselves into the friend zone phase, this is the second part of this video. How to escape friend zone completely. Number one, disappear. Disappear yourself completely into her life. So if you're always available, always in front of her, she will not see you as sexual option. When you disappear in front of the life, you will think that she will forget me. But no, buddy, that's not the problem. She will not forget you because she has the memories with you. She just mislead the identity of you as a friend with her. So when you disappear for around 1 or 2 weeks, so she will mad at you. She will eventually text you like, where are you right now? What are you up to? You are acting so weird nowadays, right? So she will keep messaging you. And now after that messages, the disappear phase will completely go on. Change your vibe, become a better version of yourself. When she again message you, lots of the guys that mess up, they will think, yeah, I'm also that missing you, yeah, I can't be able to live without you. So don't do this fucking bullshit thing with her again. So you need to work on yourself, you need to upgrade your body, you need to talk with more girls, you have more good communication skills, you need to learn the art of flirting with girls, right? So when she again coming into your life, you will act like you are a better version. You will always think that she got attracted to me. So now your body subconsciously signal to yourself to behave with her like a bad boy. You have to treat her like that she is just a sexual mate and you just have to sleep with her. So flirt with her and even take the bold moves like touching on her face or say something like, I think you're gonna fuck me and all that because you are just too scared for me. Third, make your intent known. And now you don't behave her like the best friend, right? You have to tell her that you like her and you want to date her, right? Because you find her very attracted. You just have to make your intent shown to her that you are just seeing her like as a sexual option and you just want to be her boyfriend, right? You want a relationship with her. Number four, be ready to walk away. If she says that she's not interested in you, then you have to respectfully walk away from her life, right? And you have to explore other options because every time thing will not work on the girls, right? It's about 99% of the chance that this thing will work, but only 1% of the boys cannot able to get that girl who friends on you because we are not able to attract each and everyone. Bad boys are not getting attracted to everyone, but they have the more courage to risk his identity to get rejected by all the girls. Because if you shot 100 shots, your life will not rely on that one single girl, right? You just have to explore other things in the life. Because if you just consume so much of the energy on that single thing, you will wasted your whole life that I did that. And if you don't know how to behave and how to talk with a girl, then you can surely check this video. Talk like a bad boy. You just know all about the flirting techniques with a girl. Okay, see you guys. Be the man, be the best, be the beast.